Nirmala Kenyam, Biakamal ka Nuer Online TV channel. Mi jiram jidit ka Nuer Online TV channel ka jan gwas mi goro jen wode ye nywak de rajme de je nywak ye kel ko de yente kon lat ko rodin ray wiki juba ka jan gwas me de yen kaling bana racha ka ta ndanen chalata governor dung juba te ko mi chalata ka kwi money keneten kontin kan ka monas ka bom lo lamundu laja kan ke kan gwasa mo te rambile dier ke ji ke kuskana te gro mi chakulo kwen mi kon linkel mi jira mi jidit ka Nuer Online TV channel ka jan gwasa me de jogono jin nywaka ka nasin ko kena content kwesh ka Nuer Online TV channel ban racha me ban je chu kwen kel ka dobo dan en chaje non ka ja governor dung juba cha racha ka queen enten kan ka monas cha ka queen win mnyuno ken cha ka laro me le diena mo dwer ke cha ka kwit dwer ken kon let ken ka Ray wike juba Central Equatoria che kuaren keb juba Mr. Agostino Jadala netin Mike Monat che ke kuin rajan o chua Monat chua kanang ka chua nat chua ko kut che raja mo che jakwen ngai kone gwan ore wike juba ka Central Equatoria ngai kone do badan la monna la ka kan ke je la kur ngwan la ka nong e long te ke ne te kan ka Monat ke land grabbing ne te konti la jungoni bran ngwad muran ba jo kan ka ba je timwarga chela no na mo rik michigwa chi chuonko de monat de kananke ko do badan en chelat keje Central Equatorial State Governor Agostino Jadala has cautioned the chief in Juba County against issuing illegal land document, stating they were fueling land grabbing in the area. Speaking during visit to Juba County headquarters on Friday, Jadala also ordered the dissolution of the Community Development Committee, accusing them of creating division and unrest. Jadala revealed that some chiefs were even endorsing their colleague from other communities to operate in Juba. The concern come following the rise in case of land grabbing in Juba, igniting conflict and causing insecurity. There were committees called village development committees. These have caused many issues and chiefs have been involved. It is unfortunate that some of them are no more. Some of you even approved some of chiefs from other communities to represent their people in Juba. Where do you get that power? Jadala posted. He noted that one other cause of land grabbing in Juba was the poor planning. People have talked much about land grabbing. However, I want to say we are the cause. We have never looked at Juba as capital city in border picture. You cannot narrow the capital city in just 3 blocks, Juba, Muniki, and Kator, Jadala said. While acknowledging land grabbing as a major security threat in Juba, Jadala pledged to address it through the committee formed by President Salva Kiir in 2021. It is deeply concerning that land grabbing and mismanagement have become source of insecurity and tension in Juba County. Land is a vital resource that sustain our people and foster development. However, it has become a source of conflict, displacement, and mistrust. This is unacceptable, and we must take decisive measures, he said. He further called on the administration of Juba County to develop a comprehensive land policy that ensures legal acquisitions. The governor tour of Juba County is part of a broader initiative to promote lasting peace, unity, security, and stability across the central Equatorial State. Jadala held a rally and engaged with chief, the elder, intellectual, youth, women, and other key stakeholders. Juba County Commissioner Emmanuel Tete Esbon said in order to address the previous mistake, we catered for no playground and graveyard. His administration are resorted to developing a proper comprehensive demarcation. Tete noted that most markets in Juba do not have a bus park. In addition, the Juba County Commissioner called for the enhanced peace, security, infrastructure development, and service delivery across all Payam. The leadership of Juba County is committed to fighting corruption and ensuring resources used effectively to meet the needs of our people. Tete affirmed. Men lat ka gwada me o do dana dong take land grabbers take ne te kan ka monat. Ate mi chala no take ne theory ya le kan o kan ka monat. Ne manga je no ka central equatorial ne chang la lede. Mi shi na ka dung mon shi kana no kono te ne ko kene de mon de kan ga jekre wi ki juba. Agenda no go re nywa yekel en bi ate mat bye.